All right, so I'm here at South Twin in the Apostle Islands on Lake Superior and sailing with new friends. This is Bob's boat here, and Bob and I have been talking about basically 3 things that we'd really recommend if you're going to be doing camping with your Sunfish sailboat or other small sailboats to make it a lot more enjoyable for you. Number 1, you can see that we added a bungee cord for Bob's tiller. Now without that, he couldn't let go at all, even for a moment to, you know, scratch your nose or grab something. But with this bungee cord, it certainly helps so that it's not just swinging wildly. But it's not a perfect solution. So I'm gonna go over to my boat here. Now, this guy right here is a tiller tamer. And essentially you can tighten it down, you can loosen it up, and you can let go of your tiller and it will just keep this thing in place. And it's lashed on here instead of screwed in. This is my second trip with it on there. It works really well. I can let go and walk up to the front of the boat, as you may have seen in other videos. The second thing here is that without any padding of any sort here, this is a very slick, shiny surface. You kind of slide around sometimes. Some people want to slide, but especially in big waves, it just makes it hard to stay on your boat and position correct. The other thing is that it's hard. On my boat here, this is not perfect because it's kind of fading. It's really nice when you're sitting down. It doesn't hurt your sit bones, and it's nice and grippy. It's actually made for a stand-up paddleboard, and so it's meant to have that grip. So I'll stand on there, I'll lay on it, walk around, sit on it, and it's really comfy. The final thing, and the most important, right here. Now I know some people are real purists and they want to have the original, and so they just want to use that hook. Okay, Bob added this pulley, which is an improvement in terms of functionality. There are ratcheting pulleys as well. I really recommend having something, again, if you're camping, something that you can let go of and the boat continues to sail, because you have a lot of things that you need to do through the day, even just eating a snack. And so, you know, if you're out for a long time, make it livable. So we have the cleat, okay? And so I'll pull this, cleat it, and I always keep this rope just sitting next to me on the deck. And you know, if a gust comes or something, I can just pop it out real easy. But I highly recommend a cleat or some other method that lets you take your hands away and keep that boat sailing. And if you're new to Adventures in Reach, I post videos about increasing what adventures are possible for you, the tips to help make those things happen that you see here, and increasing your confidence outdoors. And so if this was helpful to you, then feel free to subscribe and click the like button, check out the links and all that. I'll link to all the equipment that I talk about, and yeah, check the description. So we'll see you in the next one.